The ultimate pork pickle. Juicy, glossy, pure perfection. Cut the pork into chunks. Quick rinse. Into the pressure cooker, add water, chilies, coriander, cumin, fennel, pepper, mustard, toast till fragrant. Grind it coarse. One whistle. Perfect. Crush fresh ginger garlic. Hot mustard oil. Pork goes in. Listen to that sizzle. Salt. Ginger garlic. Turmeric chili powder. And some more chilies. Add the roasted spices. Finish with vinegar. Cool it thoroughly. Then bottle. Thank you.